playing. And they are finally getting checked after all these years, as they should. Sit back and watch the train wreck come through spirit. Don't believe me, just watch. Don't believe me, just watch. Because they tried to steal from you in the past. So just sit back and watch. Watch their work life, social life, any other kind of life abundance. 4 is home. Your fourth house, family, roots, emotional home. 4, stability, boundaries, protection. Watch them be violated. Watch everything fall apart. Watch the train wreck. And you deserve it.